Alrighty, welcome back to another episode Team Axle Stands. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've been avoiding it for a while, and that's installing some nolothane bushes on the front. Got these ones off Amazon. Hate doing these bushes, but anyway, it's got to be done. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we've got the car jacked up. Take these wheels off. I loosened them before I jacked it up. So there's actually, you can see my breaker bar on one there. There's one there. There's one on the bottom of this spring fork, so I won't do that. And then there's a couple at the back. And then there's the ball joint to get this bottom A-arm off. So I'll go and try and do that. So under the back here, what I'll do first is I'll remove these two for the sway bar. So I'll remove the sway bar first, just to get that out of the way. There's two 12s. This will just allow us to get the A-arm out. And then there are three 19mm bolts. They're all different. So I've got one out already from that side. And then there's just two from this side. That's the three there. There's one longer one and two short ones. And then I think I've got everything pretty much off here now. Alrighty, so I'll just take the bottom castle nut off here. We loosened already before. And then it's just a matter. And there we go. So we'll be replacing this bush here, and this one over here. So I will take this apart from here. As you can see, adjust it. Right, so what I'm going to do is take off this nut to get the bush. Again, with just a 19, and that'll get you to that. And now what I'm going to do is just burn it. There's a little bit of camp cooking.
Alrighty then.
Burning them seems to be the easiest way to soften them up to get them out. So just got the cooker out and giving them a little bit of a roast. Alrighty, so I've kind of taken off the one side of the bush. And I'm just going to push it. Should easily press out now, so I'll just use a socket that kind of roughly fits and press it through. So I've just got it set up like that, the socket pushing through. Pretty easy. There we go. Ready to install the new one. Well, we'll give it a quick sand with some wet and dry first, just to clean it up, and we can get the new one in. So for this end control piece, we want this one with the number on it, which is 3285, and 3285, the number part needs to face the front of the car. So pushes in, so it looks like that. So we want it pushed in like that, in there, like that, push through. So just make sure that you got it the right way around. The instructions are pretty clear on what you need to do, but just double check. I've cleaned all that out, and I'm going to put some grease on in here, some grease on the end, and we'll slide it in. So these ones ready to be pushed in. I think you can do them with a vise or something, but seeing as I've got the press, I'm just going to press it in like that. One end, one ready to go. So I just got that greased one all done up. Put it on like that. This one. And we'll give it a switch. And just check that it moves. It'll be a lot stiffer to move, but it should still move around. So I think that one's ready to go. So we've rigged it up like this, just a socket. There you go. When you get it, when you get the right stuff, it's not too hard. There we go. 2274. So I'm just greasing that one up. I'll grease both sides because I'm pretty sure this is how they squeak, is like if you don't have enough grease between the metal and the rubber. So I'll just push that one in, and then there's a metal bit, also grease that up and put that through the middle. And then this one is actually from the second kit, from this kit, which some people forget to buy. So you've got to buy both kits, the shock bushing kit for that one, and this is the lower control arm kit. So there's two bolts. One's there and one is here. We'll just remove those, and then under here, this bit will now be loose. So actually got to remove this before we can get this off. So it's just a 14 on each side. So there we have it. And we've just got to press these out and push the new ones in there. So I worked out the combination for this one before. 22 on the top, and I've used the 36, and if you're a Honda guy you've probably got a 36. And then if you don't have a 36 you probably should get it. It's on lots of axle nuts of other cars, so yeah, just get this straightened up a bit. One of the keys to this is to make sure that it's not kind of pushing on an angle. That should be better. That would be a real pain, you know, if you didn't. Maybe if you didn't have a press, that'd be quite tricky. So we get the other side. That's both sides pressed out. Easy. Now we've just got to put the new ones in. Give it again. I'll give it a bit of clean up with wet and dry, and then we'll press the new ones in. Yeah, I might do them with the vise. I'll show you how I'll do that in a second. So this is how I'm putting them back in, just with a vise into the socket, a bit like how we took them out, but the opposite. Lots of grease on them, ready to go. That's it. I'll get rid of some of the excess grease, but grease up the inside. They're ready to go back on. Alrighty, so I didn't actually record putting the whole arms back together. I thought I would just cover off which bushings are required. So it is that one and that one, and I will leave a link down in the description so you can purchase them. I got these off Amazon, and I think they were less than $100 US, a bit more than 100 Aussie dollars. So yeah, get in there. But yeah, that's how to replace your bad bushing with energy suspension ones in the front. So yeah, I'll do another video soon, just covering off what it's like to drive with these, if I can notice any difference. I'm about to head off and get a wheel alignment, so I'll do that and then we'll check in later on this. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. The next video I will actually show you how to install big brake kit from readily available parts. I think about 250 Aussie dollars to get this these brakes on, so tune in then. Cheers everyone.